Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through using an external monitor with a laptop in a simple and practical way. First, check the ports on your laptop and monitor. Most laptops support HDMI, USB-C, DisplayPort, or VGA. Use the correct cable and connect one end to your laptop and the other to the monitor. Once connected, turn on the monitor. In most cases, Windows will detect it automatically. If nothing appears, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Scroll down and click Detect to find the external monitor. Now, choose how you want to use the screen. Under Multiple Displays, select Duplicate to show the same screen on both, Extend to use the monitor as extra workspace, or Second Screen Only to use just the monitor. You can also adjust resolution, orientation, and screen order to match your setup. For quick switching, press Windows key plus P and choose a display mode instantly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.